Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Telluride key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, often used for eyeglasses, and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit surface to work on, preventing any small parts from getting lost. This simple preparation makes the whole process much smoother and quicker, ensuring you can replace your battery with ease. Now, let's get to opening the fob. Look for a small release button on the side or top of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the physical emergency key. This action will reveal a small, narrow slot where the emergency key was housed. This slot is crucial for the next step as it provides the perfect leverage point to gently pry open the fob. With the emergency key removed, insert your small flathead screwdriver into the exposed slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Once open, carefully remove the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one, ensuring a proper connection. Finally, it's time to put your key fob back together. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Reinsert the emergency key. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to an amazing robot vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.